Okay, right arm up here. Here we go. Backwards and 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now we're going to reverse and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Woo! Okay, so we'll start here in the overhand and then we'll swivel to the underhand, swivel to the overhand, and the underhand, and the overhand, and then third set under, and back to over, fourth set under, back to over, fifth set under, back to over, sixth set under, over, seventh under, over, eighth set under, over, ninth set under, over, 10th set under, and over. We're overhand, so swivel 1, and back, and 2, and back, and 3, and back, and 4, and back, and 5, and back, and 6, and back, and 7, and back, and 8, and back, and 9, and back, and 10. Woo! So we're in overhand, and here we go. Swivel. Now focus on your left going up, and back to overhand, and your left going up, and back to overhand, and your left going up, and back to overhand, and your left going up, back to overhand, and your left going up, back to overhand, and your left going up, back to overhand,